Hey, my name is Ollie. I am just some random guy that decided to buy a drone. What drone, you may ask? Well, none other than the DJI Air2S.
Morning, guys. Today. I pushed the brake instead of the clutch. The car was like, oi. But today we are gonna go find an awesome spot and fly the drone.
Check how dope this view is. Okay, let's go.
Set up the drone.
Oh, I'm so excited to fly it.
Just flying, baby.
Okay, so we're here at this place to fly like really cool cliffs and that. And look up there. Fun times. Like, most like incredible cliffs and stuff. And there's a no fly zone. After that no-fly zone, Emmy and I have come to another location. Here's Emmy, the assistant cameraman here. And yeah, we're heading down to the beach. The light is quite harsh. A few shots. I'm still trying to practice like flying and getting the hang of controlling the drone to get some cool shots, but I think I got some cool shots. The light wasn't the best, as you can see. It was like really harsh, and I don't think I have the camera settings dialed properly, but got some cool things, and now we're gonna head to the next location. That's pretty.
He's vlogging.
I'm gonna have to take off from the road though, or from the park. Okay, so we're at the new spot now. The sun is setting. That's pretty. I'm gonna fly like a long coast.
Get to the clouds. Say something inspirational, Owen.
Oh, that was cool.
Wow. So inspirational.
Alright, just a few things before I end this video. I was absolutely blown away with everything this drone has to offer. It has definitely unlocked a whole new world of possibilities. Wow, just wow, this thing is incredible. If you guys got this far, thank you. I hope you have an amazing day further, and I'll see you in the next one.